think if you guys stay on the course here, the more the sheets out, you can catch up to you more easily than...
Okay, now come up a little bit with Moxie.
You realize you're making me nervous.